Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks Online for a new client step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for QuickBooks Online. Press the Enter key to navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the Sign In page. If you have an Intuit account, enter your email address in the provided field. Below the email field, enter your password. After filling in your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you are using QuickBooks Online for the first time, you may need to accept the terms of service. Follow any additional prompts to complete the sign-in process. If you encounter the prompt to verify your identity, follow the on-screen instructions. Upon successful login, you will be taken to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, you can begin managing your finances and transactions. If you forgot your password, click on the I forgot my password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you complete the reset, you can return to the login page to sign in. You are now ready to use QuickBooks Online as a new client. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.